Hey guys, it's Fonzie with Dip Your Car, and today we are doing one of my favorite style videos, the Mad Scientist Dip. This is where we take a step back and we let you guys decide what we're gonna mix together for today's experiment. So over here, of course, we have Gabe, we have the STI with an avalanche gray base, and it is ready for color. Now, normally we put up a poll on YouTube and we let you guys vote. We did something a little bit different this time. YouTube polls were only allowed 5 different options per poll, and we were thinking that's a little bit restrictive, so we did 2 different rounds this time. Round 1, 5 different colors, and let you guys vote. Round 2, 12 hours later, 5 different colors again. So for round 1, you guys voted for Lava Performance Series. Round 2, you guys voted for, and it was so close. We literally are coming down to the wire on this one. Let me know if you can see this. It is super close between Persian Blue and Candy Plum, but as of right now, when we're ready to spray, Candy Plum came out on top. So we're mixing together Lava and Candy Plum 50-50 for the first time ever. I have no idea what's gonna happen. Enjoy the video. All right, guys, the car is done. Now, one of my favorite things about this entire mad scientist process is not only the fact that these colors come out with such unpredictable results, but if I may be petty for a moment, is to watch all of the comments in the YouTube poll post from all of the experts making their predictions. I can't tell you how many people, this is gonna be brown, you're in for another brown, this is gonna be a bold purple, no question about it. There are so many different tints and different metallic elements in each one of these colors that I genuinely think nobody really knows what's gonna happen until we actually do the mix. Now, the end result, I personally love it. Whether or not you guys love it or hate it, that's for you to tell me in the comment section below. But we're gonna go outside in just a second here and check it out. If you want to dip your car, we have a ton of colors to choose from. They're all ready to go, and a lot of them are very user-friendly. Click right up here to check out all of our car kits. If you have any questions at all, contact us at DYC. We love to try to help you guys with all your individual projects. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you so much for subscribing. I will see you guys in the next one.